Life hacks that don't work. If something sounds too good to be true, most likely it is. And this is the exact case of many life hacks that exist on the internet. Unbeknownst to many people, the creators of these life hacks use the power of Photoshop and video editing to seamlessly make them look like they work when they actually don't. Welcome to Health Yard. Today, we've compiled a list of 5 life hacks that don't work. 5. Long-lasting batteries. The long-lasting battery hack is one of the hacks that you want with all of your might to be true. According to its creators, they say that if you place batteries in the freezer for a few hours, the lifetimes of the batteries will increase. This life hack has become so popular that one of the battery manufacturers, Energizers, had to release a statement about how this hack doesn't work. There's no such thing as extending the lifetime of batteries after they're drained. At times, it can even backfire and destroy the batteries. Number 4. Unsalted fast food fries. If you've been on the internet long enough, then you probably have stumbled upon the life hack that says if you order unsalted fries from any fast food restaurant, they're going to give you fries that are freshly made. Well, this hack might work, but it's going to make the restaurant's employees' lives extra hard by forcing them to cook a new batch of fries and wasting their time. Moreover, it's an inconvenience for you as well, as the salt restaurants use for fries is much finer than salt from a packet, so it most likely won't stick to the fries and settle at the bottom of the pack. 3. Stop water from boiling over. A hack that depicts using a wooden spoon to stop water from boiling over a pot sounds like a genius idea that no one thought of. It should work. Why shouldn't it? The hack's simplicity is what truly makes it very convincing. Unfortunately, it doesn't work. If you follow the hack to a T by placing a wooden spoon on top of a pot with boiling water, the water will boil over nevertheless. 2. Pancake from a bottle. Pancakes are delicious. However, if there's one downside that makes people stay away from making them on a regular basis, it's the drippy mess they make. When it comes to saving time and energy when making pancakes, there's a life hack that fixes this solution by making a large amount of pancake batter ahead of time and storing them in cleaned and emptied ketchup bottles. This life hack promises that it will save time, but the reality is, it will take more time than if you were to use a ladle to scoop the batter and clean up the mess afterward. In addition, since pancake batter is thick, it will take even more time and a strong grip to be able to squeeze it out of the ketchup bottle. Number 1. Toaster cheese sandwich. If you're in the mood for a grilled cheese sandwich but don't own a sandwich press, well, worry no more, because there's a hack that shows you have to make a grilled cheese without one. Well, that is if you want to ruin your toaster each time you make a sandwich. According to the hack, if you turn your toaster on its side and place the slice of bread, cheese, and your toppings of choice, it will make you a perfect grilled cheese sandwich. Not only does this hack not work, but it's also downright dangerous, and you'll end up running your toaster as a result of the cheese melting and sticking to the bottom and sides. That's it for today's video. We hope you enjoyed watching it. If you did, make sure to like the video, subscribe to Health Yard for more health-related content, and click on the notification bell below to be notified whenever we upload new videos. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.